I don't. No. That is not. No, that can't go in the garbage.
Why can't go in the garbage?
Because I have all the kids them photos on here. You're not dashing away. I have the baby photos. I'm gonna actually hook it up.
Me a dash away.
You're not.
You don't have no use. You know long.
Wait a minute, I have no use for it. You're not dash away. Let me have to take off the stuff them off of there. I need a memory stick.
You have 3.
All right, so let me dash away your saw then.
Dash away.
Yes, your face both dash away. Welcome back to the Williams fam. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having a great morning. I know it's so dark in my room. I had to literally turn on the lights because I don't want to open the blinds because it's going to be a hot one today. So we're actually heading out to go get some groceries done. We need to get some groceries done and stuff like that. So we're going to go do that. Yeah, so we are heading out to go get some groceries done. We have a few running around that we gotta do, so we're going to go do that today, and yeah, we're gonna go enjoy the day. So that is not, I don't think we're doing, I don't know what we have planned for the day, but all I know, we're getting up and getting out of the house. It's supposed to be a hot one. Oh, but I could turn off the AC for now. They said it's supposed to feel like with the humidity and everything, it's supposed to feel like 45, close to 47 today. So it'll be a nice day to actually go swimming and all of that stuff. Oh yeah, it will be a nice one to do that. Oh, what's this? Oh babe, oh, you got more masks from work? So me and hubby are running out, and we're leaving the kids them home. I'll leave the kids them home to go do some stuff. Sorry. Oh, they drink coffee drinks. Oh no, babes. Oh my goodness. Really, Mario?
Look on the damage, and Shanika still pick up more stuff. Oh, bye-bye, right? Look at the track.
Who's talking?
I'm ready to go. Shanika can't be found. God, he still pick up more stuff.
Did we get any cereal? No,
You what?
I mean pancake mix. I didn't get any.
Go, see you ready.
Can you grab some condensed milk? We don't have any. Do you forget about that? How are you gonna make your stuff? You know? All right, so we just finished our shopping, and well, groceries done. And we were actually under budget because you know there's a sale.
Really? No, under which budget?
We're under budget.
Under which budget?
Under the budget that I was expecting to spend.
Right.
we're under budget, so that is always a bonus. Plus they have $1 and $2 sale. Yeah. That's the perfect time to stock up, especially on like stuff that you know, like cereal for kids and stuff. Yeah, all of those stuff. They're selling washing machine and stuff like that.
bike I sell too. I know how much e-bike.
So what are you gonna go do with it?
Alright, now buy already.
Yes, yes. Oh, we'll go buy already.
What?
Yeah, they're selling that as well. Yeah, guys. So that is what we are doing. As you see, we just finished grocery shopping. We have to turn on the AC because boy, the temperature is turned up in this car. It's one of those, babe. See what he's ready.
Yeah, that's a man with a funny. Already.
So you're gonna go across? Yeah, drive up on the banking song for fault for drive up on it. How is it my fault? Huh? Me love how you love blame me for everything, eh?
Almost everything.
Almost everything. So it see that's still just as bad.
No.
Yeah, blame me for everything almost as everything. I'm the good shepherd's wife. You know that means I am holy.
What you not saying to me?
Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Like today would be a nice day. They said this weekend is supposed to be.
Today would be a nice day to do.
Well, if Corona wasn't there and Canada actually had like beaches, like back home beaches, today would have been a great day to go to the beach.
You know, the place where people go paintball, it open?
I don't know. You would have to go look and call the number. You would have to go look on the stuff that we haven't called and call the number to see if it's open. Why? You want to go paintballing? Sir? You want to go paintballing? Do you notice almost at all the stop signs now? They're starting to put cameras up everywhere. Yeah. Almost at every single one of them. Well, maybe people forgot the way how to drive since Corona, because the amount yesterday when I was out, the amount of accidents you almost seen just from the way people were driving, it was just crazy within itself. Like
somebody's 24/1
crazy.
One type people really has sense.
But I guess it's the new era. I don't know. They always say a lot of people feel like they're superhuman, right? Like nothing can happen to them, but they don't seem to realize that in an instinct, in a second, split second, you can be here, and the next minute you can be gone. You know? Yeah, the place? Yeah, a lot of places like that look like that. Mrs. Williams, Dr. Williams, and Dr. Williams, time to go do surgery. You ready? Are you ready to go do surgery, sir?
Surgery for you.
Surgery for me. But you're bright and fierce. Do I look like I need surgery? Does any part of my body look like I need surgery?
I can't tell. I know inside stay.
Oh,
fuck. Don't touch me.
What?
How you make it something shock me?
How me make it something shock me? Are you shock me, you know?
Do you touch me? Are you touch me?
Doctor surgery. Hello. No part of my body don't need surgery. Not one part. Oh, you don't feel like we needed to get something. I don't remember what we need to get. All right, so we finally reached home. These kids have this house in darkness. I don't know why they have it in darkness for. So they're going to pack out the kitchen, and we're going to, well, me and hubby are going to go downstairs. We're going to start getting some. We need to clean up the garage because that was the last part of the house that I didn't get to clean up. So we're going to do that so then we can throw out all the stuff. So that is what we're going to go do right now. And I finally bought myself a scale, something I needed for the longest time. So we're gonna go clean up the garage, donate some stuff, and throw some stuff away. Arisa has so many toys, so some of them we also need to get rid of and donate what we can donate and throw away what we can throw away, and clothes and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go through that and do that right now. So it's to figure out where to start cleaning in here, but I think we're gonna start with the shelf stuff and work our way through. So we have Hubby already bent down the car. Oh Lord. So, but before all of that, I got to go and check out the gram for a second. And I have a few messages I have to reply to, so I'm going to go and do that just now. That one, it's keeping it. Wait a minute, what me I do with that? You want me? What you gonna do with my little deep fryer? You can't throw it away. I don't. No. That is not. No, that can't go in the garbage.
Why can't go in the garbage?
Because I have all the kids them photos on here. You're not dashing away. I have the baby photos. I'm gonna actually hook it up. You're not dash it away. I have to get all this stuff. I wanna throw away my modem. You know how much pictures I have on that of the kids them. Even from when I was pregnant. No, you must
have no use. You know,
wait a minute, I have no use for it. You're not dash away. Let me have to take off the stuff them off of there. I need a memory stick.
You have 3.
Alright, so let me dash where you saw then.
Dash away.
Yes, your face but dash away. I'm go to the dump. So you go on me if I don't buy my work. Me can't lift out them in the bag without Memphis. You see chicken them well.
You carry them go down in the first place, you don't know them.
Oh Lord.
So when you have an AC when you back, you still get open.
I don't know. No, you put on AC. So yeah, we're just on our way to the dump. Don't mind us. We're always just here having a discussion. My hands feel so icky. And Mario opened up a can. Like he literally opened up a can of worms on us. Like literally. Open up a can of worms.
What worm?
There's something where you just burst and it was all over the food plate. All over the place, almost to spray me. You know how people always said in the black face, yo? They're being black face. He was almost trying to white face me.
Cover it up with me and I just turn it on you. I'm going to spray you.
Oh, you did spray me up.
You see me cover it with me hand and now you're the
You did spray me out. Look back for me, hand. Oh gosh. Oh, you love it when I give talking. Don't you? You love it when I give talking. If I didn't give talking, what type of woman would I be?
Good woman.
What?
Good woman.
So why I say you don't get a good woman? Eh?
Alright then, a good woman. That better?
Me can't settle for that. No, actually no. Me think about settling. Me can't settle. So me are no good a woman. You see what I have to put up with? But I love him dearly. I love him dearly. He is my other half. I say it's on the bubble. It's on the bubble out the door. And I say the type of way they are bubbling weather.
I will be not drive up behind me too close and jump out and go back and go.
I'm gonna say something. Well, him see the orange thing in the back, so that means it shows that you have stuff in the car, so it's his duty to drive properly. So I need to go find something. You wanna go down to the lake or something? Maybe we can go down there, like go get ice cream and go play ball or something, just get the kids out to the house.
What?
To go get the kids out to the house. Maybe just go bring the blanket and sit down there. But I wonder if down there it will be much cooler down there, right? No. We're trying to debate what to do because we're gonna go home, go finish clean up the garage. It's almost good. A lot of stuff is done. But it's a good thing we're not hoarders, you know? Oh, look at that, baby. See that? Let's see if up on the front seat. Like, it's like a thing where they have an add-on. It's like he clips right into it, so then you can drive with it. So yeah, it's a good thing we're not hoarders, because if we're people that hoard stuff, we would definitely have a whole heap more stuff to throw away. But this is it, and like I said, I just went to the kids them clothes, as you had seen in previous vlogs, and things that can get donated and things that still look brand new. All I did was wash them, fold them up, put them in a bag, and able to donate them to somebody that's in need, whether they just wear them as house clothes, like, you know, that's all that matters, because some of the clothes they're brand new. The kids them they grow out certain clothes so fast they didn't even get to wear them. So that was the other thing. But other than that, and like some shoes and stuff like that that were even brand new, Rissa didn't even get to wear, like nice church shoes, church dress. So I have to literally go through all that, because like she's growing like a weed. Well, all of them are. Like right now, Memphis almost kind of fitting into Mario stuff because he's so tall. And he love compare himself to me. You notice that, babe? You notice he always comes and stand beside me and he's like, "Mom, you're short." I'm like, "I'm short, but I still could climb on the chair and clobber you." So we're on our way to the dump, guys. Oh Lord. The dump. Come tie off the stuff, them all TV. Right, we told it. about the TV, huh? In here. See, so this is what the dump look like, guys. This is our dump. So you come and you dump all the stuff that you don't need in here, and oh Lord, the things are flying. And should I put on my glasses? So.
TV?
Yes, somebody else could have used a TV there, a dash for TV. You don't need me help. Why not take out something them outside? You need help? You got this. You're so strong. You go reach, huh? Oh, you mean something wicked to me, husband. You know, see me, I'm showing, I'm vlogging, I'm showing. Oh my God, the stuff going on my eye. See, you got it. Oh Lord. Oh, look at the little Risso's little, all these toys.
Hello.
Eh? No, it says here. Everything goes in here. It's still vibrating? Oh, it's from the toys.
See that?
Wow. Because the thing's on it, you know. Almost there. Oh my gosh. You're throwing away Risso's wallet, Mario.
You said what?
Wallet.
Which
you know,
wallet?
so this will go fight you.
Which wallet?
Eh? What is this? You sure there's nothing in here? You did check?
What am I?
Wait.
Yeah.
Where's our wallet, Mario?
What wallet?
This. Our wallet, that's enough.
So this good? Good, I rat that person.
Oh, right. What's all your traffic? Rat did you know? You know, so.
You know, see I'm more in here, so.
You can. Oh, you didn't have all those packs inside? Here, let me help you.
Finally, yeah?
Hello, I'm the brains of this operation. Well, me, you never know something could I help. Size coloring books, everything. Oh Lord, but the dust is crazy. They have tires over there, everything. They have different bins. They have bins for woods, scrap metal, garbage. So these are all the garbage ones. If you have carpet, pretty much anything. So you look over there, and and even they have donation side where you can go, like those blue bins that you guys see over there. You donate the clothes and like good toys and stuff. So you donate them there. Are you finished, babe? So that was a little tour, and this is just, I think this dump alone, is this dump alone for like our city, like a couple of cities. So you come here, but I don't think it really matter where you're coming from. You just come and dump, and like yeah, so that's where it looks like, and you just basically follow the road. So like even fridge and stove and all those stuff you don't want, microwave, you come and dump all of it. You have your electronics over here, and then they have all those other containers. I say over here, so, and look, you have propane tanks. So you just come and you dump your stuff them here. You take your garbage and dash your garbage for me. You know, so.
I'm stuffing your clothes.
I'm stuffing your mouth.
The big old stop sign.
Where I throw your garbage for me for?
You see big old stop red light and you're going.
The stop sign, you know, see your pass the stop sign.
I'm not passing.
You're passing. Because if this is sitting, you come down and they lick the car.
Because you're getting too much talk to me, see.
What's wrong with you, eh? Mario? something wrong with your eyes?
Let me get the green light. This ain't no matter again.
Thank you so much talking.
Man.
Oh, what bush? You see any bush up
I
here?
mean, who want a bush?
You think at Jamaica where you can go bush, go throw things away, but you want to lock you up?
When I go far out over from under bush, me pass. Just turn up down the road, man, the thing.
And see if they not find you and lock you up. So this is the donation box, so you guys see. And you stop and you donate stuff. Don't listen to me. Hello. No, you have the AC on and the let breeze out. You know, say guitar king. Eh? You need to come to your yard. Come home. Come home.
I want ticket.
Why you want one ticket? What kind of ticket?
I want plane ticket.
One plane ticket?
Yeah.
But me have to get the plane ticket
No,
first.
you don't want to go, man. I don't want to go.
No.
You just say more go, you say come to your yard.
No, sorry, I want one plane ticket too, but you're right. So you want for one plane ticket? No, I want one plane ticket too. No, I want one plane ticket. I want to go home long time, well before you. You know, see my suitcase packed from where we packed from this February when we last go home. You know,
so fast.
You know, see you want to feel the wind through his hair. You know, see a drop top convertible in the drive.
Police dropped up him.
Oh gosh.
I stuck him, guys, stuck over there.
Maybe.
Chair.
You see, man, want to feel a little wind through here. Oh Lord, that is too funny. So, that is it. We're heading home now to go finish. Heading home now to go finish, sweep up the garage.
Me who?
What do you mean we? Me and you. No, me and you. I post for the garage to look like that then.
We done with
and skirt. You come in like another store itself, the thing with it in itself. So we are finished all the cleaning up today. I am exhausted. We got back from the dump and I am tired. So I'm just going to throw in some laundry right now and I'm going to go take a shower because your girl is tired. So, but I'm gonna go take a shower and I also have a sit down video that I gotta go do. Yeah, so I'm gonna go probably do that and then possibly maybe do that sit down video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share and tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam over here. And we will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First, I know this is really love, cause baby, I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.